Hello, medical aspirants. Welcome back to my next video on UCAT quantitative reasoning. So today we'll be solving some more questions on quantitative analysis and quantitative techniques. So let's look at this question taken from the previous year UCAT exam. So you are given a table with different planets and the temperature of the planets are given. You have Venus 480 degrees Celsius, Earth 20 degrees Celsius, and so on. The temperature on Venus is halfway between the temperature on Earth and the temperature on Mercury. The question is, what is the temperature on Mercury? And you are given options: 230 degrees Celsius, 240 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Celsius, 460 degrees Celsius, and 940 degrees Celsius. Pause the video and try to solve this question. All right, here comes the solution. So your Venus is 480 degrees Celsius and Earth is 20 degrees Celsius. You are not given the temperature of Mercury. So we are going to assume the temperature of Mercury as X degree Celsius. So let's assume the temperature of Mercury as X degrees Celsius. Based on the question, X plus 20 divided by 2 should be equal to 480. So when you solve for X, you get 960 minus 20, which is 940. So option E, which is 940, is the correct answer. All right, let's look at the next question. Again, you have the same table. The table shows the temperature in degrees Celsius on the surface of each of the 6 planets. You are given the conversion factor. You are given temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to temperature in degrees Celsius multiplied by 1.8 and then add 32. The question is, how much higher is the temperature in Fahrenheit on Earth than the temperature in Fahrenheit on Mars? Try solving this question, pause the video. So here comes your answer. The conversion factor is temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to the temperature in degrees Celsius multiplied by 1.8, added to 32. So for Earth, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So in Fahrenheit, we could have 20 times 1.8 added to 32, which gives you 68 Fahrenheit. On Mars, the temperature is negative 60. So you convert this to Fahrenheit. So that gives you negative 60 times 1.8 added 32. That gives you negative 76. Now the difference between Earth and Mars would be 68 minus, and this is negative 76. So that would be minus 76, which gives you 144 Fahrenheit. So D is the right option. There will be some questions where they might ask you to rearrange the formula and solve for F or solve for C. So here you are given F is C times 1.8 plus 32. You might be asked to rearrange and solve for C. So in case you are asked to solve for C, just do the rearrangement and using simple laws of math, you can get F minus 32 divided by 1.8. That would give you the value for C. Here comes your next question. The next question is, what is the numerical value of temperature in Fahrenheit, which is the same for Celsius? So technically, they are asking you the point of intersection of Celsius and Fahrenheit. What point do Celsius and Fahrenheit intersect? And you have couple of options: minus 100 Fahrenheit, minus 60 Fahrenheit, minus 40 Fahrenheit, 0 Fahrenheit, 40 Fahrenheit. Solve this question, and then I will go over the explanation. So when you solve this question, you see what you could do is you can assume the Celsius to be X and Fahrenheit to be X because both are equal. So X is 1.8X plus 32. And then rearrange this, you get negative 1.8X is 32 or X is 40. So negative 40, so X is negative 40. So negative 40 degrees Celsius is same as negative 40 Fahrenheit. This is an important thing to remember, that the point of intersection for Celsius and Fahrenheit is negative 40. It's a good idea to memorize this. This is the point of intersection of Celsius and Fahrenheit. That's all for today. Watch out my next video.